shibanta ban rakhe ya ka jingdap arpusan snam jong ka higher secondary arts section ka Synod higher secondary school haka arpundrio terek yayong arhajar arpusau kala Pynlong ya ka concert haka Larity International Center mau kasyang Shillong. Haka ni ka concert layo I ya ka jingdon rengkat jong Reverend WC Khongwir, President jong ka Managing Committee jong ka school lambat I Principal Mrs. S.I. Tongper kinong hikai kikmi kpa bat ki khanna pule. Hakani ka concert bala ai kerteng ka Wonderland. Ladon ka jinga shimbanta deki khanna class nursery hadu class 5. Kani ka sngi kadalong ka sngi ka bakarpang namar layo ishisha ya ka sab jong kini ki khanna pule. La ka long hakaliang karwai ka shat lani ka jing ak drama. Kala kampen itinat shu bat pensnguhun ya baro ki Peit ba ki balawan ban Peit ya kani ka program. Lapan kut no ya kani ka concert da ka jingkran ai khuble na kaliang I principal jong ka school bat hakaba yarwai lang ya ka school anthem.
It's the least I can do. Off with their heads is the only phrase that always rings true. Never gets old, so I say true. With conviction off with their heads, it's my one real value. Everyone dreads what the queen
the juice. Then why are you telling me to drink it? You're not being polite. Well, it's also not polite to sit down without being invited. I didn't know it was your table. It's set for more than 4. You should cut your hair. It's too long. I can see no one taught you manners. You should learn not to make personal remarks. And butterflies? I beg your pardon? But, did you just... Oh, that's nonsense! Voice can't talk, but of course we can talk, my dear.
And then we sing too.
You do?
Oh yes, would you like to hear Golden Afternoon? That's about all. Sound your ear, Lily. Everyone dreads what the Queen may say. Though hats may be doff, it will be off with their heads. Ooh, I try to be even and fair, but as you see, I'm almost never quite there. No, so which my derriere, always say, yes, your majesty.
Yes, your majesty.
Now, where do you come from and where are you going?
Well, I was trying to find my way home.
Your way? Always here on my ways.
Yes, I know, but I was just thinking.
Can't say what I'm thinking, it saves time.
Yes, your majesty, but
For me, but have you seen someone looking like the queen, shoving her goatee?
gorgeous as well.
Since the person's asking me, laughing as I'm finding me, this is so important to party up my mouth. Party had Alice in Wonderland. Where's the path to Wonderland? Over the hill or here or there, I wonder where do stars, where's the crescent moon? They must be somewhere in the sunny afternoon.
What about sunrise? What about rain? What about all the things that you said we were to gain? What about killing fears? Is there a time? What about all the things that you said was yours and mine? Did you